Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back to the early 70s to explore a car that truly stood out during the muscle and midsize era, the 1972 AMC Matador. This model was AMC's answer to the big three in the midsize category, offering style, performance, and practicality in one package. Let's break it down and see why this classic still grabs attention today. Exterior. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 1972 AMC Matador had a bold and distinctive look that set it apart from its rivals. At the front, you'll notice its wide stance and a clean, horizontal grille that flows into the dual headlights, giving it a sleek yet aggressive face. The hood is long and slightly sculpted, emphasizing the muscle car influence. Moving to the sides, the body features smooth lines with minimal chrome trim, which was quite modern for its time. The sloping rear roofline adds a sporty touch, while the rear end keeps things simple with rectangular taillights integrated into the bumper. Available as a two-door hardtop, four-door sedan, or station wagon, the Matador catered to a wide audience. Interior. Now, stepping inside the interior. AMC aimed to balance comfort with practicality, and it shows. The cabin is spacious with a simple but stylish dashboard layout. You'll find large, easy-to-read gauges set in a wood grain panel, along with basic controls that are driver-focused. Seating options ranged from standard vinyl bench seats to optional high-back buckets, giving customers some choice in luxury and sportiness. The rear seats offered decent legroom for a midsize car of that era, and trunk space was generous, especially in the sedan and wagon models. AMC even offered premium interior packages with upgraded upholstery and carpeting for those who wanted a more upscale feel. Performance. Under the hood and talk about performance. The 1972 Matador came with a variety of engine options, starting from a 232 cubic inch inline-six for economy-minded buyers, all the way up to AMC's 401 cubic inch V8 for those who craved power. Transmission choices included a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and a 3-speed automatic. While the base 6-cylinder provided modest performance, the V8S gave the Matador solid acceleration and highway cruising capability. The suspension was tuned for comfort, making it a great family cruiser, though not as sharp in handling as some competitors. Braking was handled by drums all around in base models, with front discs available as an option for better stopping power. Finally, let's wrap it up with a conclusion. The 1972 AMC Matador may not have achieved the same fame as a Chevelle or Torino, but it carved its own niche as a stylish, practical, and versatile car. With multiple body styles, a range of powertrains, and a design that still turns heads, the Matador is a hidden gem for classic car enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a unique muscle-era ride or a family-friendly classic, the AMC Matador deserves a spot on your radar. So, what do you think about the 1972 AMC Matador? Would you pick this over its rivals? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. Until next time, keep those wheels turning.